Today we are talking about the new Powerbeats Pro 2, Apple's new workout earbuds. I don't have all this myself, but I have done a ton of research and I'm here to break it all down for you. We're talking heart rate tracking, USB-C charging, wireless upgrades and much more. Let's start with the biggest upgrade, the heart rate tracking. The Powerbeats Pro 2 now has a little sensor right there and that measures your heart rate. It uses the same tech as the Apple Watch and it's super accurate. It updates every 5 seconds and it even combines data from both earbuds to give you the most precise reading. If you are someone who loves tracking your fitness stats, this is a game changer. You can see how hard you're working out in real time. Plus, you can pair these earbuds with gym equipments like treadmills if you have Bluetooth. And it's 33% smaller than the last generation and it's way easier to carry around. It also added USB Type-C now. Last one was Lightning and it also have wireless charging. Let's talk about the design. These earbuds look sleek and modern, just like you would expect from.
Hello, I got places to be.
They come in a few colors, but my favorite is orange. Now let's talk about how they feel. From what I have seen, people say they are really comfortable. The ear hooks keep them super secure so they don't fall out even if you are in airplane. They are also lightweight so you barely notice they are there. So if you got a small ears, these might not fit best for you. Alright, let's talk about the sound. If you're working out, you want your music to sound good, the bass is strong, the highs are clear, and everything sounds good. We'll add a noise cancellation and it's not huge though. For $250 at 2025, noise cancellation is mandatory. But still random sounds like keyboard typing and some dialogue still get through. Now let's talk about the battery life. These things last long up to 10 hours on a single charge. That's enough for a full day of workout. The case is small but it also charges the buds and easy to carry. The charge can hold up to a month if you use only during workouts. Now are these perfect? Not really. First, they are expensive. You are paying a lot for this Apple name. Second, the ear hooks might not work for everyone, especially if you have small ears. So, should you get the Powerbeats Pro 2 if you want great sound, heart rate tracking, USB-C charging, wireless charging, and earbuds that won't fall out during workouts? These are the solid choice. That's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more and let me know in comments what's your favorite workout song. And mine is Guns N' Roses' Sweet Child O' Mine. She got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories. That's it.